Welcome to Celestina, the online workshop platform. This brief video will show you how the platform works so that you know what to expect when you join an online event. All delegates will be provided with a unique confirmation number. When joining the event, this can be used to access your appointments. Each event has its own homepage providing useful information and downloads. When the workshop is due to start, delegates will need to visit the agenda page. Organisers can broadcast the stream to all delegates in designated plenaries or when there are spaces in the agenda. On the left-hand side, each delegate will see their bespoke appointment list. Expanding these will show helpful information about the counterparts lined up for a meeting. Keep an eye on the clock and countdown. Delegates don't have to do anything, the appointments will tune in and connect automatically. When meetings are underway, there are various controls and functions. Make sure that you have the right camera and microphone selected. You can go to full screen or tiled mode when viewing your meetings. On the left-hand side, there's an option to share your screen or send a link via the meeting chat function. Keep an eye out for the countdown alerts. Again, you'll be tuned in automatically to your next meeting when the time comes. At all events, we provide live support, so please use this function if you have any questions.